What's up guys, Ben at Retroformance here. We just picked up this beautiful 85, 86, can't tell what year it is, CR250 Husky. We are getting excited to tear this thing down and rebuild it for Unadilla this year. That's the plan. So it needs to be completely gone through and refinished, and check the motor out, check the suspension out, go through the powder coating and the plastics. And we're gonna look to put it together and do some racing this year. So check out the video of us picking it up out of a barn. It's been sitting inside for 30 years, so it's kind of a gem with low hours, so check it out. Oh, thanks. I got the bike. So I probably walked by this bike countless times, stuck behind the corner. Didn't realize how great a shape it was. So this is basically sight unseen, and I can't believe how nice it is. Really can't wait to get it back under some real light and look it over. And what's hilarious, it was basically stored right next to my project car, which I can't wait to get back and working on my 1980 911 Targa that just kind of sits because we don't have any space for it. So did a lot of the stuff on the inside actually, did all new sound deadening, did undercoat on the inside, stripped the whole thing. Cannot wait to really get back into it. It's like no rust. Put the engine together. I'll have to do paint and some other modifications, but it's kind of funny how they're both basically right next to each other. So nice little find for the night. Wheel it around. I'll take this stuff. I'll just film the whole time. Why not? We can. That's gonna be. Yep. Yeah. This could actually be really good. Oh, don't drop the camera. Okay, so I got the light, so. Oh. Good thing we did this at night, yeah? No. Alright, so. Oh, yep, okay. Classic.
We need lowrider trucks, buddy.
Yeah, I think we need, yeah, we need to,
I'm too old for four-wheel drives.
yeah. I think jacked up trucks lose their charm when you're trying to load bikes.